Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today is going to be an exciting day as I'm taking you on a trip to Huthridurga. It's a beautiful hill fort located near Bangalore. I have heard it's a perfect spot for adventure and nature lovers. So let's hit the road. We are on our way to Huthridurga. It's around 2:30 a.m. now and the journey from Bangalore to Huthridurga is approximately 60 km, which means it's gonna take us around 2 hours to reach. So enjoy the drive, guys. We took a small break at Shell, which is in Nagasandra, in order to fuel up our bikes and have a small tea time. You know what, guys? Having tea early in the morning hits really different. We started a journey back and took the main Mangla highway in order to reach Huthridurga. We decided that we won't take any stops further because we wanted to reach earlier in order to catch up the sunrise. We were a bit slow here, but talking about the view, it was amazing as we were reaching the top. It was still dark, but we could see lights everywhere, and this was really amazing. So now we have finally reached the base of Huthridurga and parked our bikes. The trail ahead is known for its rocky terrain and steep incline. So I would suggest you guys to wear good hiking shoes. And it's foggy, the cool breeze is so refreshing. So what's await? Let's begin our climb then. We are now halfway up and the view is already breathtaking. Just look at this, guys. This panoramic shot of the stunning blue sky above. It's the moment like these that reminds us of the beauty of the natural world. So let's keep going because we have to reach the top and we are only halfway up. We are almost there. The last stretch of the hike is a bit challenging but rewarding. Actually, the stairs make it easier, and the lush greenery makes this place feel like a hidden paradise. So many people don't know about this place. So let's reach the top now. We have finally made it. We have reached the top of Huthridurga. You know what? The feeling of accomplishment is indescribable. We feel as if we are walking on the clouds actually. The view is absolutely spectacular. Here is a time lapse for you guys. Enjoy the beauty of nature. We explored the place and went from one top to another, and there was also a small temple at the top. We took photographs for memory, and I'm really grateful for this experience and for the chance to share it with all of you. I would suggest you all to come and explore this place too, as it is really amazing. That's all, and now we are heading back at the base. Thank you everyone for joining me on this incredible adventure to Huthridurga. I hope you enjoyed this vlog and were inspired to explore the beauty of nature. So guys, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe for more such exciting travel content. Until next time, keep exploring and live life to the fullest. Bye bye.